Welcome to the Canadian International School of Thailand. We are delighted to have all the parents and students here with us today, and we deeply appreciate your interest in joining our school community. I am Rhonda, the principal of CIST, and I'm honoured and privileged to work with a team who is committed to excellence in education. Our team has a clear vision and mission to engage each and every child in their learning journey, providing support and care that they need to reach their full potential in a safe and nurturing environment. I have been with the school since we opened our doors in 2017. We are proudly an IB World School offering the esteemed Ontario curriculum from Canada. We are dedicated to nurturing critical thinking, collaboration and communication skills from pre-K3 to grade 5 through the PYP, the Primary Years Program, and from grade 6 to 10 through the MYP, Middle Years Program. For grades 11 and 12, students pursue the Ontario Secondary School Diploma, the OSSD, preparing them for success in universities around the world. Our focus on student-centered learning ensures each child develops as a creative, internationally minded thinker and lifelong learner. Additionally, our international exchange program offers secondary students the unique opportunity to gain valuable cultural and academic experiences in Canada. We are a community of learners, and I look forward to welcoming you and your family into our community. Our admissions team is always ready to guide you through the enrolment process. We look forward to seeing you soon at the Canadian International School of Thailand. Thank you.